Right on. We're back in the Italian restaurant.
It is called.
I obviously don't know what it means. Via Veneto. Via Veneto. It's really nice. And I'll show you the front door. That's the front door. And then they have the buffet with stuff in there. And all the over there.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. And this is the table.
A watermelon seed.
This is the table.
Does a watermelon
That's pretty cool.
go in your belly?
No. Well, now what
This is the last restaurant we're gonna
Then at school my teacher said if you eat a watermelon seed, a watermelon goes on your belly.
the last restaurant we're gonna be here. Tomorrow we're gonna get breakfast.
Just to make sure that you don't swallow it.
And
Some
that's
of them are bigger than usual.
it. I do like those things over there. Amazing. Not bad. And the AC is on in here, but it's not on high, it's like low. Look, these are expectations. I'm just giving you the inside nitty-gritties. Outside is a strong 84. Right. So, anyways, that's it. I'm gonna show you the seaweed. I'll show you the buffet that they have, and I'll show you the food. I'm pretty much gonna get like spaghetti in red sauce and
I did not know the water. I did not know that the
spaghetti in red sauce with pollo, which is chicken. All right, when those people move, I'll go and take some shots. All right, see you guys soon. All right, I got my spaghetti red sauce with chicken pollo. Mas, what did you get?
yummy. I got yummy.
I know you got yummy, but what kind of yummy did you get? Just spaghetti with
Yummy.
cheese?
And
John, what did you get?
Same thing.
You got same thing?
No, I got.
You got the fettuccine?
Fettuccine.
Okay. Mas, can I show you how to do it? Mas, can I show you how to do it? Please, look. Please, just look. Just turn it and then pull it up. And that's it.
and then you blow it.
And then you blow on it, correct. So, really and truly, you need a smaller spoon to like cup it, you know. But it's gotta work.
Just to get
Gotta stop the game now.
Okay, and that's it. And then you have a taste.
You know the rules. Is it me or is it Ken?
That looks like it hurts. It's okay. I'll be fine.
Thank you so much.
Just have to ignore the pain, that's all. I can do this. He's leaving. Oh no, he's coming.
Soda agua?
Hurts. But he doesn't suspect a thing.
Dice tomato spaghetti. But my spaghetti will have no tomato inside.
Gotta do some hardcore. Yes, yes.
So someone else at the table don't really like the Alfredo. I'll just show it to you. Can you show it to them? Why it's not good?
It looks nice. However, looks are deceiving.
And for me, how can you go wrong with spaghetti? And pollo. John, can you look at me please? You put it down like this and you just turn your fork. Anything else, you're gonna make a mess. Mazzo, don't make a mess. Alright, so.
No, listen. Look at what I'm doing.
Anyways, so the portion size is very small.
This is good for pasta. It's not bad for pasta, right? You think? Or you need it more?
This is an appetizer though.
Yeah. You want to have mine? I don't want mine.
No, no.
I'm gonna go back to the
The portion size is a little small.
I just want to know.
Just leave it. Don't worry,
All of these are ours for the taking. With all this money, we can trade as much as we want with villagers and traders. It'll be simple.
We can buy things with emeralds from all sorts of villages.
Yeah.
Are we starting now?
Okay, 20 minutes. Start.
Ooh.
We gotta hurry.
Very good,
Get
John.
supplies with our emeralds if we're gonna win the energy.
check it out.
I'll put the fork.
So, it wasn't much to begin with, but I devoured it. You know, that's all that matters. And most importantly, it's just okay. Has some flavor to it, but you know, it's okay.
He's not trading with us. Oh, I know. Sometimes you'll find a villager without.
Boys, do you like the spaghetti? Bye guys. You too.
What's that?
I'm done. There's like 10 bites. Literally. In any case, it's okay. It's okay. So, expectations is a good thing, you know? We'll see that. This one was a little bit salty though. Maybe it was the season or whatever. Alright? Right, cool. ¿Qué es eso? Panna cotta. Oh, wow. Muchas gracias. Panna cotta.
What's that?
Well, you probably gotta try it. I don't know what that is. Is that raisins?
Yeah. That's, you should hold that and just
I don't know what that is. She said it a minute ago.
tiramisu.
Is it tiramisu? And what is this?
It's a cannoli.
Cannoli, yes. The chocolate is in the middle. Go for it, Johnny Cakes. Get it, get it, get it.
Ooh, that's nice. No, baby, come and show.
Fail.
Look,
Fail.
take half.
Come on, look, look, right
Want me to
there.
cut it
And that's
again, or
chocolate in the
today?
middle. How's yours, bro? Like from a box? or fresh?
No, it tastes good, but it tastes, something tastes different. Maybe some milk?
Mass, come on, try yours.
Here. Tell me something tastes different. Let's have the coffee.
No, it's good. I like it.
Oh, yeah.
I like it. So I'm devouring mine now. Check it out. Check it out. You got it? I don't know what this is again.
Oh, Johnny is good. Johnny is good.
You didn't taste yours yet.
Yeah. I'll try. You can't try this because it has coffee.
This is good. The red jelly and the crust outside is phenomenal.
Coffee's going back?
Yeah. Try mine. You'll like it. Good, right? It's crusty.
Yeah, like a pie, like a tart.
Yeah, it's like a tart.
You like it, right now?
So much you're not gonna eat his?
You don't like it though.
You know what? Then I have to try it. That don't look at all. Appetizer at all. What is it? Look at Jello.
Wiggle, wiggle.
My desserts wiggle, wiggle. They don't fold. Oh, it's a custard.
A custard?
A custard, but it doesn't have much taste. But 3 out of 4.
That's probably a
Solid.
crispy option.
Yeah.
Are we done?
Good.
Are we done here?
Hope you guys enjoyed the food and the dessert. Right? Until next time, we're probably gonna go. We're gonna go out and get pizza and tacos. So, cause we belly ain't full yet. We're gonna go outside. We get some pizza, tacos, pizza tacos, and something else. Pizza tacos, and what else to sell? I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, bye. Hiya, man. This is the line for pizza. And what time is it now? Oh, it's 8 o'clock. Something to eat.
Look. Matthew. Right?
The line for pizza. And then that's drinks. I think the other side is tacos. Yeah. It's not that bad, but let's see how long it takes to actually get the pizza. Ooh, you could barely see me. I could barely see me. Alright, so I'll show you the pizza when reach. Okay, bye. Blackout again. Yeah. Thank you. Gracias. Hey, pull. Pull. We got pizza. Whatever you want to do.
Yeah, they're not gonna eat that.
I want to try the taco.
Oh, they want me pizza?
Yeah. It's pretty good.
Anyone wants pizza?